Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna XLE. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its power moonroof. You have your heated front seats along with your blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna XLE. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights, and then if you take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and then if you take a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know if there is another vehicle right beside you. Now, one of the nice things with this XLE model is it does have the power sliding door, but it also has the kick assist feature. So if you take a look just down below, you're going to see that little icon located down below. All you have to do is just kick underneath there, and it'll actually open up the door for you automatically. Now, this works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times. Now, if you take a closer look, as you can see, you have 3 additional seats in the second row. The nice thing with that middle seat is that you can actually have it removed and placed in the rear cargo area, and I'll show you where you can actually do so a little bit later on in the video here. Sunshade visors are located in the second row windows just so you can block out some of that sun just when you're driving. One of the nice things added into the new Sienna is that you have this handle that goes basically from the top all the way down to the bottom here, making access into the vehicle a little bit easier for people who have difficulty doing so. If you take a look underneath, you're going to find the close button just located underneath. So all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now, as you can see, it does have the jam protection feature. So if there is an obstruction in the way, the door will stop from closing automatically. And then if you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle or use the kick assist feature. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your leather interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on the left-hand side, you do have the automatic high beams, traction control on and off, heated steering wheel, and then you also have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and wind controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, voice recognition, lane departure alert, mode select, and your cruise control. Now, it does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here, which include your digital speedometer with the distance to empty, fuel economy, and then you can also go through and take a look at the lane departure alert, audio, trip info, energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring, settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, as well as your blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features, and you'll finish with your messages menu. Taking a look at the center dash area, you have a couple of different features on here. So inside the menu screen, you have your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. It does come with the Sirius XM satellite radio. Using the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Dual zone climate control settings along with your heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. USB and a little shelf area where you can place smaller items, matted to an automatic transmission. Drive mode and EV mode are also on here as well. And then as you can see with this center armrest area, you still have some space located underneath, and you'll also find an additional power outlet as well. If you take a look up top, you're going to see your auto-dimming rearview mirror. Along with that, you'll also find the open and close for the power sliding rear doors, power moonroof controls, SOS Connect. And then if you take a closer look just at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release just located right beside it. Push on the button once and it'll open up for you automatically, and as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the third row. So in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you, and as you can see, you also have the instructions just located on the back of the seat, just in case you do forget how they fold or unfold. If you need more additional cargo space, you can actually fold down the second row seats for yourself. And if you take a look in the middle here, well, actually I should say on the left-hand side, this is actually where that center seat from the second row can actually be stored if you're not actually using it. If you are, you can actually use this as additional cargo space. Now, taking a look up top, you do have the power adjustable tailgate, so if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds at the height you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. However, if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for approximately 4 seconds. It'll beep several times, and then when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to the maximum height. As you can see, it also has the kick assist feature, so if you just kick underneath the rear bumper, it'll close for you automatically. It works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you'll want to make sure you have that key fob on you at all times in order to utilize this feature. If you have the key fob actually inside the vehicle and you try to use the kick assist feature, it won't actually work. You want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.